I became involved into Thermomix around a year and a half ago. I'd always watched with interest a really good friend of mine who had a Thermomix, and she raved about it. And then we went into lockdown and I just took the opportunity to have a look and see what it actually was. I had more time, so I jumped in and decided to go on the Earn program. I then fell in love with Thermomix, the people and everything about it. So as much as I was already super busy, I still really wanted to be part of the Thermomix journey. And so I continued on and became a team leader. I've got a team of people similar to me, all really busy. I know that some of the friends that I've met in the last year will be friends of mine for life. They challenge you, they push you, but they also inspire and encourage you. I think it's a really good chance to reflect and just see what is possible no matter what's going on in your life, and Thermomix has definitely helped me do that.